Hello guys and welcome back again to another Tools and Gadgets. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to take off the seat cover for the Doona, because once in a while we need to wash this because there could be urine or some stains that is inside here and we couldn't really see. So I'm gonna walk you through on how to take out the seat cover. Okay, so first off, what you want to do is that you want to locate this at the back and release it. So this will release the seat belt. It's gonna be hard to release. Okay, so once that is released, what you want to do next is that we're just gonna pop this. There's three sockets here, so we're just gonna pop it, as you can see right there. Then we're just gonna set this aside. Then what you want to do next is that at the bottom here you can see a latch here, so we're just gonna pull it, release, slide down, release, slide down, release. So now we could take this out. I think there's one more here. Yep, there's one more there. Yeah, so you need to release 4 of this. Then next is, actually this is like you're just gonna pull it out. It's just I don't know what this is called, but then it's easy to pull out. So we're just gonna do it in all sides. After that, just gonna slide this out. This is the challenging part here. You're just gonna pull this. There we go. Then on the other side, just gonna release it as well. There you go. It's really hard at first. And the last one is here at the bottom. Just gonna pull this. There you go. Let's slide this one out. But don't forget to release the seat belts. Yeah, so basically we're just gonna be sliding out everything, including the seat belt. Okay, so once everything's done, so what you can see here, we got one more to release. Okay, so after you release this one, this will just come off. Alright, so that's it guys. So I'm just gonna wash this in the washing machine and put it back again. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and see you again in the next vlog. Bye.